All right, what's going on, everybody? What is up? It's your boy Johnny D. I'm joined here for the first time ever with the good ass homie Mario right here. Make sure you give him a follow if you want to tell him your Instagram so he can follow you. Tell him your Instagram. It's on the screen either way, but what's your
I don't even know,
nigga? Whatever, it's on the screen. Either way, it's on the screen.
All right.
Give him a follow if you guys want to. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. But anyways, today, guys, we have something very special going on. Now, today, for most of my subscribers know already that where I'm from here in Arizona, there's not really a lot of car meets. Is there car meets here a lot or no? Any car shows, nothing? No. So, for those who don't know, all the cars and everything are up in Phoenix, and we're south from Phoenix. We're like 2 hours away from Phoenix, so you know we can't make it to all the car shows out there. But now there is a show tonight called the Tucson Takeover Part 2. So there's gonna be a lot of, you know, burning rubber out there, and there's gonna be a lot of people shredding it. We're gonna be out here for a good while, and hopefully nothing bad happens. Hopefully nobody crashes and gets hurt, and you know, all that fun stuff. Hopefully we don't get pulled over. I don't think I'm gonna send it, guys, due to I don't want to mess up my Mustang. So you know, that's why I don't want to, you know, send it. But with that being said, guys, right now we're just waiting to link up with my other friends that are coming, and we're gonna squat out. And obviously you guys know Cheeto, the fucking Mustang, the orange Mustang, you know, one of a kind, the McLaren. And we're waiting for the homie to pull up in his, I think it's an Eclipse, I don't know. Add my Snapchat, it's on the screen. Add it, because that's where you guys are always gonna see everything first. You know, you guys are gonna see all the stuff I do before it gets on the vlog. So definitely add my Snapchat. So now we're gonna wait for the homies to pull up. Once they pull up, we'll update you guys, and then we'll go to the event and we'll see what's up. Hopefully we get some new subscribers tonight, and hopefully it's a good day. Yeah, hopefully it's a good day.
Yup.
And stay tuned. What's going on, Joseph Houses? What's good, man? So everyone's pulling up right now, and all the trucks, they're posted up. This was all wet right now because they're all full of Chevys. That shit's camp. Shit's camp. So everybody's pulling up right now. Huh? Oh yeah, go ahead. What do you think so far of the Mustang though? You fuck with it? It's open. Everyone's pulling up in their Silverados, Rams. Not a Ford yet in sight though. We're gonna go check them out right now. We're gonna see what's up. Hey, you think they rented here or what? Cause these roadblocks, fool.
They can't rent it.
Well, look at this shit. Like, why are the blocks here then?
You know this one?
Nah, I don't. It kind of looks familiar though.
George.
But I don't know. We're gonna see what's up. We're gonna see what's up. If anything gets crazy,
open.
It is open. If anything gets crazy, then we'll let you guys know. But look at the marks on the ground. There's already gonna be a good day. So let's get it. Let's go. I'll keep you guys updated. We still have people pulling up over here. GT350, a bunch of Silverados. There's a ton of Silverados here right now. But look, we got that. It's like that Scat Pack B shit. I don't know. And there's an R32. Hey, look at the R32 pulling up. There's an R32 GTR pulling up right now. And then all these trucks. That GT350 is badass. So it's just gonna be fucking lit. The imports are pulling up. See, right, it's right hand drive too, food. But check that out right here. Let's see if they're gonna send it. I'll probably put up the GoPro on the Mustang. Let's see what's good. Let's see what's good. Hey, we need to get a map. We need to get a map for the. I don't know where the fuck they're gonna go, but let's see. Ooh, my truck. Damn. Look at that shit. Damn. Park next to the Mustang? Damn, that shit's fucking clean right here. Check this out. That's Ty right there. That's Ty right there. Now we're just waiting to see what goes down here, and keep you guys posted up. People pulling up right here. Check this out. Silverados. Everyone's pulling up. And I don't know if they're gonna send it. If they're gonna send it, I don't know. But I don't know if I should. Hey, should I send it? Should I send it? Yes or no? Should I send it?
What?
Should I send it?
You won't.
Should I? Not right now, but like maybe, I don't know, maybe I should do a donut or two. Yeah, I don't know.
You can't do this.
Bad, fool.
Well,
Not right now. What is this, fool?
putting Flow Master on.
Full master. Oh my god. So everything blocking off right here. Everything, so when the cops pull up, if they pull up, I'm a dip. Nah, but so far,
I'm just waiting for a burner.
so far so good lineup.
Oh my god. Is that Antonio in the Silverado?
That's a Corvette. What Antonio? Nah, he's not. But this, so far so good. Shit ton of trucks there. Shit ton of trucks here. GTR right there. The whole lineup. You guys see the Mustang, the best looking color of all, except for that chrome rose gold fucking Silverado.
That's what I mean.
Yeah, that's how my shit's gonna. Damn. Look at that shit. Already. We're what?
Hey,
10 minutes in? 15? We're 10-15 minutes in. Is that a GT? That is a GT. Oh yeah, let's get it. One tire.
It's only with one tire.
Who cares, fool? Look at that.
Hey, I know who's in that.
Look at this lineup right now. Another V6 Mustang. That's pretty tight. Let's see this shit. Just gonna film the cars coming in through here for now. So the Silverado is fucking badass. Let's see. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Chevy right here. Oh my god. Don't. Yeah. America. Well, let's get it.
Fucking end
Before it even starts. I feel like doing it. I feel like doing it now. You think that black Mustang's gonna send it? Oh yeah. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god. Cool, cool. It's all good. Okay. Okay. Then just a start.
What are you gonna do when everybody gets here?
What? I think I might have to buy one tire for if I send it. Just one little tire for. No mind. This shit's getting pretty late, honestly. So a fuck ton of. Oh, look at the Mustang you're talking about pulling up. Then that shit's tight. Where's your car? Yeah.
Hey, that's the woman that was in the car wash, remember?
Car wash. The car wash.
Yeah, because that came out of nowhere.
Hey, he's gonna send it again, I think.
At least have a loud engine.
Oh shit. Yeah.
Yeah, like the people who have like fucking, like cars like that, bro, fix them up.
Yeah. Hey, is a Mustang gonna send it? Is it gonna send it yet or not? Damn, that shit's tight though. That shit's tight. Police helicopter already pulling up right here. Oh, Hellcat.
Look at that.
Check this out. Police helicopter here already.
Hey, John, we're going.
Fuck the fucking bed. Hey. Damn. Already police helicopter, nigga. Fuck the feds. What do you say? Nothing? Just kidding, feds don't come after me. Nah, but hey, we're dipping. We out. Alright, so police helicopter just pulled up over here, circling that shit. Do we dip or what? I don't know if we should dip. There's 4 addresses on the paper where we're gonna go after this, so let's see right there, not don't show them, because then, you know, fucking people are gonna know where it's at. But yeah, I think we're gonna dip. We're gonna go to second address, and we'll keep you guys posted up. It fucking feels like LA, fool.
Wait,
like
bro,
that
but
meets and
nobody's
shit.
fucking
Yeah,
dipping
fool,
out.
everyone's dipping out.
Dipping where? They're going around. Because all the cars that I see leaving right here, they fucking park over here.
I don't know, but we'll keep you guys posted up. God damn, this is loud. Holy fuck.
Those who's in that car barely 15 when they have a car.
We're down to show you. Oh, look at that shit trying to burn out. God damn. We're gonna show you guys some of this shit, so yeah, let's get it. It's just a start. Fuck that. Damn. Where are they ripping donuts at though? Liz. Let's go see if we can find Anthony or what. They missed a turn either way. So far, what do you think of the meat, food? It's alright. Well, yeah, it's pretty dope, honestly. Oh shit. They brought another Mustang. We got a Challenger. A Camaro. Oh, fuck that. Run. The feds. Oh shit, the feds are coming. Dip out. The feds. Dip that shit out. Yeah. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Feds are coming. Hold this, hold this, hold this. Guys, the feds are coming. Right here, feds are coming. So we gotta dip out as fast as we can. So we are dipping because the cops are raiding this one as well. If you guys are seeing the flashes on top of the stoplights, it's because again the cops are over here, you know what I mean? So it's definitely, you know, some shit. I don't know, let me get in through here. We'll get in through here. We'll go through right there and we'll keep you guys posted up. Check this out. They set off a car alarm already. Boom. The Ram, the Camaro. Out here, you know what I mean? More Chevys out here. Let's see. Chevys, Jeeps, Camaros, Mustangs. I haven't seen an F-150 yet though. Yet to see an F-150. More cars are linking up with us. We got a couple Corvettes now. We're going in and out because I need to take a piss. Not buying food either. See, they're setting off car alarms like crazy. So we're gonna keep you guys posted up. Cars are pulling up, everyone's linking up. People are talking about this Mustang GT crazy right here. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. But yeah. Check this shit out right here. There's this Mustang, Dorado. That's me. So far so good, so far so good. We'll keep you guys posted up. I know you guys can't see shit. Keep you guys posted up. This is why the cops get called fool. Oh shit. GTR on the left, Corvette on the right. They're gonna come through this way, do some passes real quick. Let's see the Chevy, the Chevy, the Chevy. One more round or what? Oh shit, crowd. Rubber hits me for me. No, rubber's hitting me.
Oh, fuck. Fuck, the engine go.
Damn. That's how we do it in Arizona. Oh shit. The only thing that's bad is all the rubber hits us. Oh shit. gonna disappoint like that. Damn, crazy. Alright everyone, so it's been about 2 days since the event, and I'm outroing this video right here. I want to thank all of you guys for watching. It was a very crazy event. I want to give a shout out to Reyes Photography, I believe so. I want to give a shout out to them because they hosted that event and it was a pretty dope event. Now here is the thing for all the people going to be watching this. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to subscribe and click that bell, because I'm trying to grow out here. I'm a YouTuber in Arizona, so if you want to collab or anything, make sure you leave a comment below and DM me and all that fun stuff. But anyways, like I said, this is my orange Mustang 2004. And if this video gets over 25 likes, I will send it on the next meetup. I will send, you know, a massive burnout and some donuts on the Mustang. And you know, I did send some, but I didn't record because my friends don't know how to record, so they technically film like this, you know, and the clip was trashed. But I haven't washed my car, and this is like the little aftermath. Like, I did donuts in the dirt, so you guys are seeing right there, that's all from the dirt. And I did a few burnouts, so oops. But hopefully, so next time I could find somebody that could record me good, because what's the point of me telling you guys if I didn't film it, you know what I mean? But with that being said, guys, I'm wrapping up the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will be going to the next event. Leave your comments down in the comment section below, and subscribe if you're new, and I will catch you guys on the next video, and we out later.